Okay, so, hello. It's been, I don't know. Yeah, it's Kira. Yeah. Meow. Meow. Did you hear her meow? I hope you did. Meow. Come here. Come here, you're so cute. Come on, meow. Meow again. There was one. Possibly aggravated cat. Oh, Merc. Kona. Fine, you won't look up here, so I'll just record you down here. Kona. Wait. What do you want? Come here. Hey. Don't you get aggressive with me. Are you swiping at me? You trying to swipe at me? You still trying to snipe at me? Swipe. Meow. Meow. Yeah, got a phone. I'm recording you. Got this all on camera. You're gonna go to jail for a long time. Hey, Kona. You're going to jail. I can see that shock expression on your face. Oh wait, I should probably be recording like this. Kona. Don't shoot at you. That's right, fight the shoe. Yeah, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Hey, stop scratching that shoe. Shoe. Sorry. It's a shoe. It's a perfectly good shoe. I need some Takis. That's something else. I need some Takis. Oh, they're actually Caitlin's. Hope she doesn't get mad at me. I just noticed there's a string there. No, give me this. It's my string. There we go. Oh. I used to do this thing. I use the string. Oh, I got over there. Oh. So yeah. Here's the charger. Here's the computer that I'm now doing online school classes on. It's in the case right now. There's a brush. Dylan doesn't want to be in any of my videos because he'll tell mom and take my channel down. I don't believe she can do that. Anyways, so Keelan, if you're watching this, I got you in one of my videos. She's probably not gonna be watching this though. Anyways, there's some Wonder Bread. There is Pantry. What does that spell? Pantry. Gonna. You're a weird little cat. What? I'm just trying to pet you. So you sound right now. You sound like an annoying, stupid cat. Is that my shoe? Get off my shoe. It's my shoe. Just don't scratch it up, okay? Okay. So those are my two cats. If we go over here, trampoline. And there was a pool right there, but, well, something happened. Anyways, bye guys. There's a cat. Where's Kira? Kira! There you are. Okay. Let me pet you. I haven't pet you this entire video. Come here. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, there we go. Bye guys.